You are now watching a Lucky Penny Shop product feature. Hey, it's Lucky Penny Shop. Thanks for stopping by today. I really appreciate it. I am still doing a mini Easter series this year, and this is part of it, is the Cadbury Creme Egg, the Cadbury Caramel Egg, and the Cadbury Chocolate Creme Egg, because I thought, I've done the cream eggs before, but the other two I have never seen. The packaging caught my eye because they changed the color on each one based on what it is. So this one you have the yellow from the egg, the light brown for the caramel, and the other one is like chocolate color. Now the bunny on this one is really hard to see. So that, I might have done that a little bit different. So packaging wise, let me just show you the tops on these. They're all, I think they all say the same. I think they all say the same thing. Nobody knows Easter better than Cadbury. And then let's see. Okay, so you have the whatchamacallit there, just a regular little logo there, and then here is the back of the box, all the nutritional information. For those of you that like to read nutritional information, I am going to just dissect these and taste them and tell you what they're like, because I've never had them. Now, let's do this first. We've seen this one here before. Time to break out some tools. They have some good weight to them. This is net weight almost 5 ounces for these little tiny eggs. And they don't seem, well, let's see. Let's get inside the box and then we'll start talking about what they are or what they aren't. Okay, so you get 4 nice colorful eggs. Okay, so that's that one. Let's do this. Let's do it this way, and then I can kind of see the packaging and how they're all done here. You know, from the outside, do they look like the same eggs, or are they different? Let's find out. Well, they are totally different. So now you get that. And then the last one. Now these are colorful, but not as colorful as the regular ones. Okay, so these have little pink and purple flowers. All right, so let's take this egg, since I know this egg, and I've had this egg, and I'm still gonna definitely give it a taste. It's been a while, but yep, that's a little leaky. This one's a little leaky, so I gotta pick away the foil. See that? It has leaked out of its shell. You don't want to eat foil. That's the seam, the whole seam. Now that was a mess. The whole seam was stuck. All right, so the egg actually opens this way. So let's cut this one this way and see if we can preserve the innards. Okay, there's that one. Now let's grab one of these. Not sticky. That one's nice. Okay, then let's cut this one. Ooh, that was a good break. Really nice break. Look inside. Ooh, rich dark chocolate. I like the look of that one. Let me clean off this knife. And the last one. I'll have to open up one more of each. A little sticky down there. Now, you gotta be careful. Look at that. There's a little piece of foil in there. You don't want to be munching on foil, do you? And there's a little air hole here. Ooh, not a good break. Let's see if I can clean this one up. That's a little better. Okay, let's open it up. Nice caramel. Let me open up one more of each. This way you can look at that and I can take a bite out of each one. That was a much better peel. Okay, here we go. Now, if I was just gonna bite it, I'll bite it off the end and that's the regular one. Now the chocolate one. Do I like the regular ones? Yeah, I do, but I think I'm going to like these more. Here we go. Here is the chocolate cream egg. You know, with so much chocolate on the outside, I'm not really getting a good chocolate inside. This is the one I'll probably like the most because I'm a huge chocolate and caramel fan. Here, let me zoom way in on that so you can look at those like that. Get this all out of the way. All right, I'm going to try the last one, the bite. I can't tell you which one I like better. Well, I can. I think I like this one the best. This one the least. I just don't like the sweetness of the center. This one next, and then this one last. I thought I would like this one the most, but I'm not getting a really good caramel mix. Now, maybe if you ate the stuff on the inside and just grab that with a little piece of chocolate and use it as like a dip. You can dip your egg like that. Now look how that just pulled apart. So maybe that's the option. I don't know. I really don't know. But I wanted to show them to you. Let me see. How many Easter videos do I have? I don't know. Gotta be quite a few. I mean, there was a year or two when I would do 2 Easter videos a day, sometimes 3. So there's a lot of videos out there. Overall, I'm going to say, wow, you could take this egg like this now and do this. Watch this. Take this egg and connect it with this egg. And now you have a new egg. We'll seal it up. You ever seen those videos where people take noodles and seal stuff up and then refinish it? Well, there you go. I'm taking chocolate. There, no one will ever know. Wrap it back up and give that as your... No, don't do that. What was I saying? I had to take one more bite. Oh yeah, look at that description. I'll have a playlist with all different Easter products. I mean, last few years, I was doing a lot of, well, maybe not last year, but before that, I was doing a lot of Easter kits, egg dipping kits, pies kits. So please, if you have some time, check those out and let me know which one would you want. And do you like my combo egg? Ooh, I can make this a combo egg too. Look at this. I'd have to, oh, no, not a good break. Maybe this piece. Oh yeah, that's passable. There's my combo Cadbury Creme Egg, and my combo chocolate, and my combo caramel. Well, thanks for watching, everybody. Later.
If you're looking for the item you just saw in the video, click here. Watch more videos by clicking here. Don't forget to share on social media and give a thumbs up.
Hey, LPS-Dave.
What's up, Butch?
Make sure they don't forget to subscribe.
Oh yeah, please click here to subscribe to Lucky Penny Shop. And always remember, when you see a lucky penny,
Pick it up.